Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to animate an object following a path. On occasion, you may wish to animate an object to follow a pre-constructed path. Once the object is made to follow the path, you reshape the path to alter the movement of the object in 3D viewport editor. So to demonstrate the procedure for animation following a path, open the animation workspace as shown here, click on animation at the header of the viewport editor, and change the left-hand 3D viewport editor camera view to graph editor as shown here. I have set it earlier. Have the right-hand 3D viewport editor in top of the graphic view with default cube as shown in our scene object at the center of the scene, as we have created over there. Deselect the cube. It's selected, then deselect the cube. It's not highlighted in orange color, so and add a curve, type Shift A, go over here, then go over curve, then let's add a Bézier curve. So just scale it to show it like this. And you can see it better. So let's deselect the curve and select the cube as shown here. In the properties editor, go to constraint buttons as shown here, object constraint properties, and add object constraint. Add object constraint as shown. It's going to be showing this menu, and you have many different categories to select whatever you want. So in this case, just select follow path. It's over there. The follow path tab displays like this as shown here. The follow path constraint, click in the bar where you see the target. So click on follow path. It's gonna be showing this panel to control the motion following the path. In the follow path constraint, click in the bar where you see the target, like this icon, and select Bézier curve from the panel that displays, as shown here, Bézier curve, and we have created a curve in our scene, like this. So also check or tick follow curve, note forward Y is selected. The object's axis which points in the direction of movement. So go over here to, you should select Y on the forward. So let's just expand it just a bit in order to see it better. Forward axis, you should select active to Y axis, enter in the target. So entering the target locates the cube in the viewport editor at the left hand end of the curve path. Checking follow curve aligns the cube axis to the path. You should go over here on this button of the viewport display, go over here, then you should check the axis as shown here. So, and you move to data, to a curve, as shown here, curve data properties is gonna be showing this panel. Also, you should check the path animation, as shown here, click on it to expand. And we have frames and evaluation time. You can also click on the evaluation time to show this frames where to start. So after doing all these things as shown here, up axis is Z, then forward axis Y, offset factor is gonna be changing within time. Also the target is a Bézier curve as shown here. So just let's make it much more smaller in order to see it better. And to have this graph, you can also see this graph, and we have something very interesting over here. So in order to animate this cube, going to follow this path, which is Bézier curve. Also adding constraint as shown here, you should make follow path, and you do some things fixed position and follow curve, animate path. And by clicking on the spacebar, it's gonna be making the cube following. For example, let's repeat it. This is gonna be making the cube following this path as shown here. And also see it. That's very amazing. It's going to the lattice frame and going to repeat as shown here, and you can create your own animation depending on constraint. Depending on constraint, which is follow path, so at the same time, and that's very amazing animation. Can try it yourself. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorials. I think I will continue some tutorials about the geometry nodes. Thanks for watching.